It's Jody with All About the Harvest, where I teach you how to grow, use, and preserve your harvest. And today I'm coming with you with a quick tip about moving and storing your canning jars. These are called jar boxes, and they're absolutely wonderful. They're heavy duty, hard plastic. You can store multiple boxes on top of one another. And here's what they look like. So here is the one side, and they come in pints or in quarts. So right now these are pint jars. And so you just place your jars in here and then put the top on. And realistically, the top and the bottom are interchangeable. They are very heavy duty, and I use these when transporting, even just transporting the food that I've canned from upstairs, downstairs. I'll use these because then I can bring these all down in one trip downstairs. I have found these at Fleet Farm, Menards, on Amazon. Those I think are the three main places that I have found these. I just like them because they are heavy duty. So if you live in a place that has either tornadoes or earthquakes, something where you're worried about your jars falling off a shelf, this is a great way to store them. And these can be stacked on top of one another. So I have multiple that you can stack on top because it doesn't touch the actual top of the jar of food. So you can put as many of these as you want on top of one another. You can label, put a label maker on them and label what's in them. I have a beautiful storage area for my canned food items. I have a really large shelf that my husband built me. So right now I just use these for my empty clean jars, and obviously to move my full jars downstairs to put on my pantry. So that's how I use these. But when we moved here, I put all of my canned goods in these heavy duty containers, and that's how we moved them, was in here. So I just wanted to give you that quick tip. Yes, you can use the actual boxes that your jars come in. I do save those as well, and you can use those to transport. But this I like because none of them are touching, and you have this area above it so that you can stack these multiple high and you don't have to worry about the pressure being on the canned goods themselves. So that's just a quick tip about jar boxes, and I will put a link to these in the description below this video. For more canning tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to be notified when I post a new video each Wednesday. Again, this is Jody with All About the Harvest, where I teach you how to grow, use, and preserve your harvest. And until next week, happy canning.